tayo, takbuhan tayo dito. Very few teams dito sa SINAG Liga Asya can compete with LDG when they're shooting like this and when they're running that way.
Yes, and right now, eto, Jomari Argota.
5 straight points.
5 straight points, heating up again like the sun. Nag-iinit na dito si Jomari Argota.
Oo.
Look at the defense by Baruelo. And eto, Herald Cabrido with a pick and roll play to JM Nambi.
Wow!
What a great move! Pagkakuha niya ng bola, may spin pa. That's why he was left wide open.
Actually, pinag-isipan pa niya i-drop pass kay Gamuwak eh. Pero sabi niya, sige, akin na ba?
Eh,
Para tayo libre.
Nagulat siya na sobrang libre siya doon.
Sobrang libre nilang dalawa, di ba? Si Gamuwak na lang parang, okay, tatakbo na ako pababa. Nung nakita niya titira na si Nambi. That's great way to run your offense. Look at this. The pick and roll. Again, miscommunication on the defensive end by Baruelo and itong si Roldan. Pareho sila nag-press up to try to trap pero hindi masyadong fully pressure eh. Kaya nga may power play of the quarter tayo.
Atin sa iyo nga ng Converge Fiber X, the official partner of SINAG Liga Asya. Kaya, doble na, dinoble pa. Experience better with Converge Fiber X.
Dinodoble mo yung mga premiums eh.
Oo, kasi kanina nga natawag ko, Finphoton.
Ano yun?
Napagsabay ko
Sasakyan
dahil...
na pwede mong suotin?
Diba? So, pero ganun kasi, again, ang dami na nating sponsors dito. Kaya gusto ko pasalamatan ng mga sponsors natin dito.
Sabi, yung Rocky, Gummy and Candies, sarap eh.
Oo, kanina ko pa.
Hindi siya masyadong matamis ah.
Oo.
Lalo na malapit ng Halloween, di ba?
Yes. So, speaking of Halloween, Enzo, saan mo isi-celebrate ang Halloween nyo?
I always celebrate Halloween at home.
And ano yung usual mong, ano tawag doon? Di ba may mga cosplay? Costume.
Cosplay. Iba yun.
Iba pa ba yun? You're dressing up eh, di ba? So,
Pero yung cosplay is for anime.
pala.
Pwede naman, di ba? But yung costume ko normally pag Halloween, wala lang, pagbahay lang. Kasi I don't celebrate Halloween that much. Although nagbibigay kami ng candies sa subdivision namin.
Nakapambahay ka lagi, so dressed up ka as Enzo Galarosa.
I always dress up as myself.
Yan, tama. As JM Nambi 2 for 2 from the free throw line. He's like an automatic cash machine from the line. And look at that. Great defense. Look at the defense of LDG San Pedro. Ba't ka nagtatawa, Enzo?
Hindi ko sabi mo, automatic cash machine.
Oh, di ba? Automatic cash machine. And look at that. Raimundo, another miss for NBS Slashers. And another miss. And this time, finally, after 4 attempts, MJ Raimundo cleaning the bucket.
Persistence pays off for them and they get a stop dito, 2-on-1.
And JR Ilustrisimo, oh! With the hang time against Jomari Argota.
And you know he wanted to draw a foul doon. What a 4-0 run to end the quarter. Ay high note for the Slashers. Dahil nga, it has been all LDG since the start of this ball game. It started with Assistin, then Timtiman, then Caprido, and then somewhere andun yung Nambi and Gamuwak. Pero look at this move of the quarter, Rowie.
Halin sa inyo ng Kaito Cement. That hang time from JR Ilustrisimo. Kaito Cement, early stride, quick dry cement made with Japanese technology, built with Kaito. Our end of the first quarter score, 50-40, 10-point lead in favor of LDG San Pedro contra NBS Slasher. So, SLA fans, we will have a quick halftime break. We'll be back after these messages.
Hello mga kasinag, Enzo Galarosa po ng SINAG Liga Asya. At andito po tayo sa Barangay Tangos South in Navotas City para sa second installment ng SINAG Saya. Halina't subaybayan ang aming journey dito para magpasaya at mag-inspire ng mga kabataan dito sa Barangay Tangos. Dito sa Barangay Tangos, Navotas City. Tutok lang po kayo sa aming mga social media accounts at SINAG Liga Asya sa Facebook and Instagram kung saang barangay kami susunod na magpapasaya. Only here at SINAG Liga Asya.
Ako nga pala si Andrew Mina, player ng Terrafil Madrid. Inaanyahan ko kayo na panoorin ng SINAG Liga Asya. For sure, marami kayong masasaksihan na mga kabataan na sinushowcase yung talent nila. And for sure, mag-enjoy kayo. Tara, load na kayo.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa! Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di doble pa!
Ako si Romel David para sa SINAG Liga ASYA 40. Yabang ka?
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality tread, middles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako si Ronald SINAG Liga ASYA 40. Laban ka?
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
Ako si CJ Beautyson, abangan ng Team 1 Luwid 1 Kapampangan sa SINAG Liga ASYA.
J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customize quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Ako si Richie Melesio para sa SINAG Liga ASYA 40. Laban ka?
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Ako si CJ Delpino, abangan ang Pampanga Pradera sa SINAG Liga ASYA.
It's time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature, yes! Charge with low latency. Yes! Get into the race with low jitter. Yes! Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Ako si Roddy Santos para sa SINAG Liga ASYA 40. Game na!
Determinasyon. Sipag. Puso. Pangarap ang puhunan. Talento ang labanan. Paati ka pong pakpak. Mga laro ay tutukan. Game na!
Ako si Richie Melesio para sa SINAG Lakas 40. Laban ka?
Ako si Parley Dimla. Abangan ang Team Luwid 1 Kapampangan sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Hello mga kasinag, Enzo Galarosa po ng SINAG Liga Asya. At andito po tayo sa Barangay Tangos South in Navotas City para sa second installment ng SINAG Saya. Halina't subaybayan ang aming journey dito para magpasaya at mag-inspire ng mga kabataan dito sa Barangay Tangos.
Malaking bagay po ito kasi unang-una yung mga ibang kabataan, yung mindset nila nasa basketball, hindi sa mga sugal, saan mang bating bagay. Kaya itong ang pagbabasketball sport natin ay napakalaking bagay po.
Matangkilik po natin ang paglalaro ng basketball, may iwasan po ang mga masasamang gawain para maging maganda patuloy na paglalaro.
At yan po mga kasinag, dyan po nagtatapos ang ating ikalawang installment ng SINAG Saya dito sa Barangay Tangos, Navotas City. Tutok lang po kayo sa aming mga social media accounts at SINAG Liga Asya sa Facebook and Instagram kung saang barangay kami susunod na magpapasaya. Only here at SINAG Liga Asya.
Ako nga pala si Fernando player ng Terfil Majid. Inaanyahan ko kayo na panoorin ng SINAG Liga Asya. For sure, marami kayong masasaksihan na mga kabataan na sino-showcase yung talent nila and for sure mag-enjoy kayo. Tara, load na kayo.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Ako si Romel David para sa SINAG Lakas 40. Laban ka?
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako si Ronald Tubid, SINAG Liga 40. Laban ka?
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with
coverage of the 2023 SINAG Liga Asya Board 2001 SINAG Cup. Nagbabalik ay inyong mga poging anchors today. Rowie, the Pogi Sakote, and Enzo, the QT_69 on Instagram.
That is not
Enzo,
my IG handle.
Grabe ang performance ng LDG San Pedro dito against NBS Slasher. So let me ask you, anong favorite number mo sa Electric Man? De, joke lang. What is LDG doing? That's why they're up by 10 points against dito sa NBS Slashers. And anong adjustments ang kailangan ng NBS going to the second half?
Well, like I said at the top of the coverage ng first quarter, itong LDG, they play fast. So, okay na yun eh. Given na mabilis sila maglaro, their pace of the game is very, very fast. But it's the three-point shooting is always the catalyst that they win or lose. They're hitting their three-point shots ngayong araw in the first half. That's why nagsa-struggle bigla itong NBS Slashes sa rotations nila. They're now struggling. Sino ba talaga titira? Is it Tentiman, Argota, Cabrido, yung Ian Assistin pa, di ba? Nag-init talaga in that first half. So, for NBS Slashes, they have to rotate well to the shooters dahil yun talaga yung bumubuhay dito sa LDG. Given that they are a fast-paced team, talking about LDG, given na yun, gusto nilang pumas break lagi. But once they get to their half-court sets, they always want to set up the shooters. Bihira naman na bibigyan si Miko Nambi tsaka si Gian Gamuwak sa ilalim, di ba? So what is going well for LDG is the three-point shot, and that's one area where NBS Slashes should focus their defense on.
Yes, so that's why grabe talaga. Actually, nakikita natin ngayon ang depth ng rotation ng LDG San Pedro. Everyone is stepping up. That's why they're up by 10 points. Pero let's look at the halftime stats, Enzo.
Look at this, 48% from the field para dito sa LDG San Pedro compared to 42 sa NBS Slashes. Di naman ganun kalayo. But look at this 3-point conversions. 8 out of 17 compared to just 2 out of 9, di ba? Tapos dito pa, the Slashers are turning the ball over so much. 13 turnovers compared to just 8. And as you said, the bench points, 25 bench production galing dito sa LDG San Pedro compared to 21. Good productions coming off the bench for both of these teams. But itong shooting talaga, it's the 3-point field goal shooting netong LDG is why they're up right now by 10 points at the half.
And sino nga ba ang nagbigay sinag dito during the first half dito for LDG San Pedro? Walang iba kung hindi si Ian Assistin. So let's see kung ano yung highlights dito ni Ian Assistin in during the first half. Imagine that, 15 points, 3 out of 4 from 3-point territory.
15 points, 10 in the first quarter.
Grabe.
Diba? So he's actually the one who started this hot streak ng LDG from the 3-point, knocking down 2 early 3-pointers and then a couple of jumpers, couple of layups in the second quarter. That's why we're looking at a 10-point lead para sa kanila. And look at Jomari Argota as well.
14 points already for LDG San Pedro. For Jomari Argota, Ian Assistin has 15, JR De Manuel with 8, John Miko Nambi with 6. Meanwhile, for NBS Slashers, two players only in double digits right now. JR Illustrissimo with 11, Yuri with 10, Marvin or MJ Raimundo with 6, and Joshua Baruelo with 5 points. And trailing by 10 points dito ang NBS Slashers coming into the second half. So let's see kung anong adjustments nila head coach Britre Roma to bounce back here in this ballgame. Meanwhile, right now, LDG San Pedro are always capitalizing every time they are open, mas lalo na sa 3-point territory. But that guy right there, JR Illustrissimo of NBS Slashers, is now has 11 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists. And imagine mo yung free throw shooting niya, 7 out of 8, 87% from the line.
Diba? And LDG San Pedro, it's the third and fourth quarters. Dun sila bumibitaw palagi. Dun nawawala yung 3-point shooting nila. Dun sila nagkakaroon ng miscues on defense. Dun sila nagkakaroon ng mental lapses. Case in point against Hustle Rising Suns in the last game, diba? Last 5 minutes ng fourth quarter. Foul out Miko Nambi. Everything went south para dito sa LDG San Pedro. So this is a quarter that we should see sino ba ang mananalig. But that's a good way to start if you're Joseph Timtima, knocking down another 3-pointer. So makita mo, mainit pa rin sila from that area.
Yes, again, easy, quick 3-point shot for LDG San Pedro. So yun nga, Enzo, ito, back-to-back threes ba to for Joseph? Oh, nice extra pass there to J. Manuel and sinking that perimeter jumper in. So yun nga, LDG San Pedro are always doing a great job at the start. However, some or most of their games, kaya sila, that's why they are 2-4. They always fell short during the third and fourth quarter. Strong start, however, it's how you finish the game.
Flat finish, diba? And it nearly happened against yung Datslavex EOZ construction, diba? They were leading by 25. Naputol ni Rob Panes mag-isa. To 6 points or 7 points, I believe, yung lead, diba? buti na lang malaki masyado kalamangan nila para hindi manalo ang dance lab nun. But look at this 3-point shot by Joseph Tintiman, di ba?
Yes, no hands up in the air for MJ Raymond. And after that, 2 defenders na pumunta kay Joseph Tintiman, left wide open doon si J. De Manuel.
And that's the importance of why, you know, that 3-point shot is, you know, very much used in today's ballgame. The Steph Curry, Klay Thompson era, kasi it opens up a lot of things. Lalo na if you knock down the 3 consistently, it spreads the floor. At the same time, yun, up fake ni Tintiman, gets 1 defender flying. May isang defender naman na magko-collapse pupunta sa kanya to help. At para wala na siyang open look dahil nga na-knockdown din yung 3, na libre naman si De Manuel. That's why the 3-point shot is so valued in today's ball game, in today's day and age ng laro. Kasi nga, it opens up a lot of things. Kanina pa nga, di ba? Si Argota, nag-pick and roll sila ni Miko Nambi. Mag-isa lang si Nambi pagka-spin niya, di ba? That's why the 3-point shot is so valued today. You know, that's why shooters are now in demand, di ba? Compared to before. Ano bang in demand back in the day? It was the post-up player. But ito, you have a player down. And I think the referees are calling it. I think, are they gonna review it?
Yes, after that, there was a swing kasi from JR Ilustrisimo. And
yes, yung sinasabi niya, flop daw.
Yes, however, our officials calls an offensive foul
initially, and then they're gonna review
the last play if it's gonna be an upgraded to an unsportsmanlike foul. But our officials are gonna look at the review muna kung ano ba talaga yung nangyari.
Ano tawag?
IRS, yung instant review system natin.
Okay.
Bakit may iba ka bang nasa isip, Enzo?
Hindi. Ikaw kasi, nung nanood tayo na FIBA eh. Speaking of FIBA, we would like to thank one of our referees, si
John Banayan
Jr. Diba, ito yung officials review natin. Let's look at this muna. Ilustrisimo with the rebound.
Actually, wait. May swing eh, pero...
May swing, but balikat eh.
ba?
I think it did hit.
Oh, it did hit nga.
But I think it's just gonna be an offensive foul from my perspective. Yun nga, offensive foul lang talaga siya. Call stands, hindi siya ma-upgrade. Kasi hindi naman niya sinwing yung siko niya eh.
As we take a look, Birds Isuga.
Paano mo nasabi?
Paano mo nasabi na offensive foul yun? Ika nga.
Kaya yun, na-prove natin, di ba, na bakit offensive foul. Doon niya nasabi.
Nakita ko yung ngiti ni Kuya Saldi doon na after niya i-zoom in kay Birds Isuga yung camera.
Kuya Saldi, genius ha. Thank you. Thank you, zinumin mo si Birds.
Pero yun nga, good call by the officials kasi ano pa rin, literally, that's just an offensive foul.
And yun yung rason bakit tayo may IRS. Di ba? Para makita
kung inosente si Rowie Sacote. Sorry, yung instant replay system nga.
Ikaw ba, inosente ka?
Oo naman. Wala nga akong kaalam-alam sa masyado sa...
NBI?
May walang hit.
Okay.
Cleared, kumbaga.
Sige.
Kasi ang importante sa akin is the integrity, Enzo. Diba? Bakit?
Ginagaya mo ko pero ginagaya mo ko
On the other end, may whistle naman. And I believe that's gonna be a foul on Niltrix Galario.
Galario nga. And this is where Ilustrisimo shines the most.
And
yung bruiser type talaga eh. Give him the ball, let him operate. He will just continue to attack, draw fouls, draw contact, get to the free throw line, play defense. Yun talaga, Draymond Green-like nga talaga yung laruan niya eh.
Yes. And ito, most of the time during this game, he's taking advantage of his size. Kitang-kita natin, he's always on the post. And ito, JR Ilustrisimo is adjusting. Kasi again, in terms of size advantage, nasa kanya against LDG San Pedro. Pero ibang games niya, playing with different teams, he can also shoot from the perimeter. And nagtitress rin siya. And he can also...
Profile fits itong si Ilustrisimo so well. Isa lang naman ang hindi nag-fit na sa Draymond Green comparison kay Ilustrisimo eh. Hindi siya maingay maglaro. Diba, hindi siya yung
trash talker na tinatawag.
Siguro meron. Di naman tayo kasi yung kalaban niya para hindi